Hello, everybody. Welcome to our Rock Walls RGB project. So you can stop the video to read the text. Here, I'll show you the RGB layering order of the project. So we have black one, blue the second, red the third one, and green the last one. Each one is stacked on top of each other. So we create the RGB mask. For each RGB mask, we also have one texture, a tileable texture I will show you in an instant. So first, shader complexity. It's a super cheap project, so you can put inside your project too. And it's based only on four textures, tileable textures, and one normal map, like one normal map from a baked map. So you receive all the baked maps. Also, you receive the Substance Painter base base mask from the RGB mask. So here we have an example of one object. First, we create the high poly mesh. We baked to a low poly one, and we have the base base color also, and the vertex, the RGB mask, like with the tileable textures. The cool thing is that you can exchange all the tileable textures to your project textures. So you don't need to use this one, specifically this one. So the albedo and the light complexity. And here you can see the some some objects have around 1,000 to 2,000 triangles. Other ones have 5,000 triangles, but it have a variation of complexity with each one. So here you can see the green part have a tileable, like we can see the tile of the texture. So I will show you how to fix that in an instant. Like it's another example. When you have the same texture, like the same part of the mask surrounding the object, when you have a lot of space using the same texture, start to see the tile. So we can fix that with a normal map, a different normal map from this part. So here examples of each object. Like this one, it's on the blueprint with a rotation movement. And the cool part also is that each object was thought to use the other side of the object also. So when you use instance, you can change a lot of sides of the object and there will be a new a new object. So you can create variations using the same instance and don't feel repetitive. Okay, so also a donut. And this one is another example. If you use the side view of the donut, it will become like a wall. And another example of a convexity and concavity and the smaller props, more bolder cylinder also. But when you see from the side view, you have a like a wall, and you can use for different purpose. Another example, some variations of rocks also. Each one came with a 2K map, a normal map of 2K, and the base mask color 2K also. And it came with the demo textures, and you can change the demo textures also. So it's extremely low poly, not extremely, but like you can use in different types of projects. So the last two objects can combine also. The next part is how to, it's only examples of how to use a combination of only using one prop. You can make different silhouettes, like only one. Here, two props and different types of the same two. And here, only one box, kind of box, and you change to a different size. And here, textures variations. The no color objects can with a low poly one, and you combine the big normal map with each texture's normal map also. Default map, like this one, is only changing 4 textures. So you have only 4 textures and make a lot of variations. Like 4 factorial, like this 24 textures you can make with a simple variation. So now I will show you the how to fix some tileable issues. Like you see the green one, the green one is too visible that tile is the tile is too visible. So we go to the material instance. Each object have a material instance. You have a master material also. So the green one, you take like example another normal map from another texture and you change. So only the normal map, not the albedo. So you have a different type of normal map. So you can reduce the feeling of tiling. And let's see another one. If we find another object that have a lot of especially in the green one, the green normal map is too visible that the tiling is too repetitive. So we go to the object. This one is blueprint. We go to the original one. Control B, press, find the material instance, and drag to another normal map. So you can exchange albedo and normal map. Don't need to be the same, like the same from that came from the demo map. So that's the overview of the project for you to use many kinds of many types of rocks, combine them, apply for low poly or more another type of vision, like another type of visual, like let's see, don't need to be hyper realistic, for example. You can apply another set of textures. So this this material, like this mesh wall 7, have a different types of material instance. So it's only a different placement of textures. Is They are the same textures but different places, different parts of the mask. So for example, this one, we change and the position of the textures, they change everything inside because they are based on the substance painter position. It's a cool approach because you have a cheap material also. It's only 4 textures to this one specific is 256 pixels. So here I'm showing the examples of dirt. You can have a dirt variation also. Here the base albedo. So remember the order is black, the first one, the base. So you can have a, um, for example, stones at the base. The second one is dirt. Oh, sorry. The second one is blue. So you can have the second one like moss or grass. The third one is red, and the last one is green. So have fun, and I hope you enjoy the